New at 6, nearly a dozen national and statewide advocacy groups filing complaints over Operation Lone Star. The complaints filed today.
And those groups want the feds to investigate Governor Abbott's border security initiative. Channel 5's Thambi Verma explains why.
Governor Abbott put Operation Lone Star into action in July of this year, giving the state the authority to keep migrants in detention and charge them with trespassing. Advocates say this provision in of itself discriminates by race and national origin, which would be a violation of Title VI of the Civil Rights Act of 1964.
To date, 2,200 individuals have been apprehended under Operation Lone Star, and the numbers are growing. As will be discussed by my colleague, there is direct and outcome-based evidence that these arrests are based on racial profiling and perceived immigration status.
The ACLU claims many migrants were directed onto private property so that they could then be charged with trespassing.
Either they were directed onto private land or they were welcomed onto private land by law enforcement officers.
The complaint also alleging that migrants are not charged in a timely manner and that hundreds have waited in jail without a lawyer or court date.
They languish in that system for extremely long periods of time, weeks or months, on misdemeanor criminal trespass charges.
The complaint also saying that ultimately most charges are dismissed or declined by the prosecution. So advocates are urging the DOJ to investigate the sense of the program.
Our Title VI complaint is really focused on shutting down this system and shutting down the state of Texas's efforts to criminalize migration.
Huddleston says if an investigation by the DOJ is completed and they do find there to be Title VI violations, that could result in a termination of federal funding to Texas state agencies involved in enforcing Operation Lone Star. Thambi Verma, Channel 5 News.